You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word, the name of this bone. If you want to learn more names from anatomy that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you at the end of this one. The sphenoid, yes, like sphe. It's pretty straightforward. And then noid meaning that it's got the shape of how to pronounce in English. Sphenoid, it's difficult. Sphenoid bone. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.